Hey guys, what's up? I know I look a little different today. I wanted to take out one of my wigs because I want to take a picture with one of my wigs for my Instagram. You guys know I love my Instagram. So I thought I would do that today. And I've been having this particular look in my mind for so incredibly long. And then I got this Modern Mattes 28 palette. And I saw this color right here, this blue. It's like a pastel-y blue in there. Oh, and then I realized I have a matching eyeliner to match that color. So I really wanted to use that into the crease. So I just felt it today. I felt just something fun today for you guys. I hope you guys really like this look. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to check out all my social media links and particularly my Instagram and go check out how those pictures kind of turned out. I will have pictures up on my Instagram. Anyways, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This is just a fun tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. And then I'm going to start getting into some fun colors. So this look is so easy. I'm getting into the 28 Modern Mattes palette into this blue, and I'm going to blend it into the crease. I'm not going to put anything on the lid because it is going to be a black cut crease. Then I went back in and did my eyebrows. I was kind of waiting for that gel to set so that I could do my eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows first. So next I'm doing a purple color, and it's going to be in the outer part of the crease, kind of a little bit higher up. Then I'm going to go into a yellow and do the same thing in the inner part of the eye crease area. And I'm just going to blend that all really, really well. This is such an easy look. I'm going to do a cut crease with this gel eyeliner that is so creamy and soft, and I'm obsessing over. And I'm just going to bring it out to the tape and just fill it in. It is so easy. And I am going to go over it with a black eyeshadow later. I did that kind of off camera, so I would definitely set this eyeliner with black eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take off the tape and we're ready to do the face. I told you guys it's so easy. So for primer, I'm starting off with the primer oil from City Color. I'm obsessed over this oil. It's such a good one, you guys. If you like your primer oils, this one's a really, really good one. Then I'm going to go in with the Dr. Brandt's Pore No More primer. And then I'm going to use the LA Girl foundation and really tap it into the skin. Then I'm just going to conceal it right underneath my eyes. And I'm going to set that and my whole entire face with the Mercier powder. Then I'm getting into my Beige contour palette, and I'm going to contour very, very lightly, nothing too crazy. And then I'm also going to contour my nose. And then I'm going to go back in and really blend it out with a warmer color and a stippling brush. Then I'm going to use a pink blush. I chose this one and I just lightly tapped into it and just put a little bit on the cheeks just to give me a nice flush of color. Then I'm going to highlight, and boy, am I going to highlight. This is so pigmented. I love it. I really does such a good job of just giving you that glow and luminosity. Then I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm basically going to go in with all the same colors that I used originally. I'm going to go in with the blue and mix it a little bit with a darker blue, and then I'm going to go in with a purple, and then I'm going to blend it all out with a yellow. Then I'm going to put on these AOA Chloe Lashes. I wanted to try these out, but if I was doing this again, I definitely would put on like some fancier, bigger lashes. Then I'm just going back in with the eyeliner and just fixing any lines and making sure it looks really crisp. Then I did put on this liquid lipstick, and then I put on Vixen over top to kind of blend it out because it looked too weird. And I think that paired up really, really nicely, especially with the wig. So what do you guys think? Did you guys like the makeup look? I'm kind of obsessing over it right now. I think it looks really, really good with the wig, and it's just fun and different, and I'm just totally digging it right now. So I hope you guys really liked it and you thought this video was fun. Leave me comments down below of requests or anything that you guys want to see, maybe like a color scheme or like a makeup tutorial that you guys want to see, or what kind of videos do you want. Let me know down below in the description box. And yeah, so I love you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I hope that it was fun. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Anyways, I hope you guys really liked this makeup tutorial, and I thought hopefully it was fun for you. I thought it was fun. I don't know. I like to watch these kind of like crazy makeup looks. But anyways, comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see, what kind of makeup tutorials you want to see. Is there a color scheme? Is there something that a particular video that you would like to see? Let me know down below. Also, yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys next time.